Feeling blue in March? Well, march into wellness with this month's essential oil recipe box in this mood lifting diffuser blend. For this essential oil blend, you'll need a diffuser, coriander essential oil, and blood orange essential oil. And when you realize how much you love this blend, you'll want a blend bottle so you can create a master blend so that you have this recipe ready to go whenever your mood needs a lift. For this diffuser recipe, I'm going to add 3 drops of blood orange, which is a citrus scent and it's a very uplifting smell, and coriander, which is a very calming smell. Use your diffuser in an open room and enjoy the effects of a mood uplifted with these essential oils. To create a master blend of this recipe, add 75 drops of blood orange and 25 drops of coriander to have a mood lifting diffuser blend on the go. Subscribe today to our essential oil recipe box to get everything you need for this recipe plus more. Each month, our essential oil recipe box comes with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 different recipes, plus the extra ingredients you need to use them. And also, when you subscribe, we'll throw in our big bonus box. Worth over $40, this box contains natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oils, along with roll-on containers and blend bottles, all to bring your recipes to the next level. And don't wait to subscribe. Our February recipe box ran out. So make sure you subscribe today to make sure you get your March recipe box and begin your wellness journey today.